The third question which I would like to say, what is the exact relationship between Indian National Congress and the Communist Party of China? What is the MOU? What is the unsigned MOU and what is the signed MOU? What is the tacit understanding between Congress Party and the Communist Party of China? The country wants to know. And country wants to know the details of the MOU, signed and unsigned. The tacit understanding which has taken place between which takes care of the interest of Chinese or China government through the Indian National Congress. My fourth question is that the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, RGF, worked in close association with China Association for Internationally Friendly Contact. Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, RGF, ने बहुत क्लोजली, बहुत नजदीकी से काम किया चाइनीज एसोसिएशन फॉर इंटरनेशनली फ्रेंडली कॉन्टैक्ट. और ये जो संगठन है चाइना एसोसिएशन फॉर इंटरनेशनली फ्रेंडली कॉन्टैक्ट, दिस इज अ व्हीकल यूज्ड बाय सेंट्रल मिलिट्री कमीशन ऑफ चाइना. This is a vehicle used for Central Military Commission of China, which the purpose of this commission is to infiltrate, to influence the voices of the leaders of the other countries. Now I would like to know, what was the role of Rajiv Gandhi Foundation with the friendly contact of China Association of Internationally Friendly? And what was the relationship between Central Military Commission of China, which was trying to infiltrate and influence the policy makers of our country and trying to influence their voices? इसके बारे में हम जानना चाहते हैं. और इसके साथ साथ हम यह भी जानना चाहते हैं कि how much influence and infiltration was done by Chinese government through this Rajiv Gandhi Foundation.